All right, so here's a look at this room-to-room ventilation fan. This is gonna be perfect if you're living somewhere where one of the rooms just gets too hot and you need to ventilate that air out into another room. So this could be something like a laundry room, a kitchen, or just anywhere where you think that the room is just getting too hot. You can easily just put this in and it'll ventilate on out. Now this is gonna be perfect for room walls that are between 3 and 6 inches. So you could see here, if we put the measurement, it's about 3.5, and then this can also extend out all the way up to about 6 inches. So just make sure that this is gonna fit with your wall. If you've got a standard normal wall, it should fit for most of them, but that's what it looks like. Now, the size of this one is gonna be an 8-inch. So right in the middle, it's not too small and it's not gonna be an extra large one. This is also going to have a nice screen down here. So this screen is going to allow you to do a bunch of different functions. You can do things like an automatic. You can have it go for a timer. You could also set it to where it's going to turn on when the room gets too hot or turn on when the room gets too cool. So it kind of just depends on how you have this set up and when you need it to actually activate. And it's also going to have 10 different intensities. So down here at the bottom, you can see we can switch it down from 0 all the way up to 10. Now, this is going to be a really quiet machine. So if you're looking for something that's going to be nice and quiet, not going to make too much noise, maybe you're going to have this near a bedroom or honestly just anywhere where you don't want that much noise. When it's on the lower speeds between like, I would say 1 to 5, you almost can't hear it. Once it goes past 5, you do start to hear the fan a little bit, but overall it's a very quietly rated fan. And you also notice on the screen there that it's going to show the temperature as well. So it's going to go based off of whatever the temperature is in the room. Like I said earlier, you can go ahead and do it to where if the room gets too hot, it'll know and it'll automatically turn on. This also has a child lock on it as well. So if you want to hold this button down, you can lock this screen so that no one is able to press or change any of the settings. And all of these are also able to be accessed here with the remote as well. So most people are probably going to have this fan somewhere up higher. So you're obviously going to need to utilize the remote unless you want to get up on a step stool every time to change the settings. Now, as far as installation, it's going to come with these templates, and you basically are going to measure from the ground up and the wall off to the side to a center point, and you're going to place this in the center. This is going to allow you to put the screw holes right here, and it's also going to come with these screws and these drywall screws, which will allow you to pretty much mount this anywhere. So it's a really easy setup. Like I said, you're just going to be measuring it, putting this template up on the wall. You can just put a little piece of tape on there and then centering it, cutting out the hole, and then this will separate apart. You put one on one side, one on the other side, and the front screen is going to be where the air is coming out. So just be aware of that when you go ahead and set this up. And again, this is going to be great for anybody who has a room that either just doesn't get circulation or just gets too hot and they need to ventilate it out. This is also going to be great if you're trying to cut down on your electricity bill, whether that be the heating or the cooling. Having this fan is going to help you regulate that temperature a lot easier, and obviously the electricity that this thing uses compared to your whole house air conditioner or heater is going to be a lot less. So if you're trying to control your temperature better, or maybe you just have somewhere that doesn't have that ventilation, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.